Okay, like yeah.
Now our YouTube
Okay.
channel is there. New
Yeah,
generation,
alright,
new
alright.
generation English. We have
Alright,
YouTube channel. You
alright.
can see the videos and you can the programs and functions like which we all grant there.
Yeah, so I was just saying, that
Yeah.
according to me, English is not indispensable as much people are just thinking about it. English is indispensable.
Actually, in India, no, I could see like there is a kind of like contrast in a society. It depends.
yeah,
There are people who says like, "Ah, being an Indian, we should promote Hindi, no?
Yeah.
That is one thing, and
Yeah,
also without English, no. Right now, what we are seeing, the development is like through English, no. Once we are once we are better, like we have the grasp of English, India will develop, isn't it? That's what we learn in subjects. Through English, we have relation with other countries, and that's how we
Yeah.
can bring the development in India, no? And everyone is like pursuing, like if you don't know English, then we don't have proper. We feel like we are down, no?
yeah.
But like as the world, universal language is English, so we
have to learn that.
have to learn English.
That's great. So like, yeah, English is important. Like we can just make the relationship with the other countries.
Yeah,
People. For it, you have just given the example. Can you just give many more examples why English is indispensable? Apart from making the relationship with other countries, people, apart from going in other countries.
English, like if you want to learn about any story,
Everybody
English,
please just give attention.
English has better description or better word to be understood, no?
Yeah,
So like English has better advantage
yeah.
to learn a particular feeling. That's just something. There's some word we cannot express in Hindi. There's some words we cannot express in our own language, no?
Yeah.
Something like, but English has every word, and now and then it's still developing. It's still giving. Guys, you might have known like maybe in a day new words are being produced, no?
Yeah,
It's been updated daily, like
Yes.
compared with other languages, it's so advanced, no? So like English is so, very important.
Okay, so
And then see my brother here. This is my brother. This is my brother.
can you please?
He is deaf.
Okay.
He's deaf.
Okay. I'm
He's
just-
deaf, and his name is James.
James.
James, say hi.
Hello.
Yeah.
Okay.
He's deaf. Now he's learning English.
Okay.
It's only through English he can communicate. What is that?
So right now he can just speak.
He can only write. He can text in English.
Okay.
So that is one advantage of being learning English. No? He's deaf.
He's saying he's deaf.
Yeah, he's deaf. He's my
He's
brother.
not saying that he's dumb.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay,
he's
yeah,
deaf.
So
It means so he's able to speak.
he can't speak.
He's not able to speak.
He's
Can't
deaf.
able to
Unable to listen.
He can't hear. Because of that, he can't speak.
Oh,
That's the reason.
yeah. That's the thing. Okay, if
Yeah.
he's just wanting to tell you something, he was just wanting.
So
to
we speak in
understand,
English?
so he can speak.
We write in English.
Right in English.
He understand only English. No other language.
Okay,
Actually, we are speaking different dialect, but since English is very important, like we say,
Yes,
we're learning, we're communicating in English, no? So that's
right.
right now. I'm just giving, preparing for exams,
For which
government
exam?
exams,
Or
SSC, bankings. I've completed my coaching from
have
GTP,
completed.
GTP Nagar.
Okay. So like, would you like to suggest to all the students something like they are learning English? They are lucky to have these kind of institute, new generation.
Yep, you guys are so lucky, and it depends on your hard work, what you want to learn, no? You know the importance. That's why you are here, no?
Yes.
The only thing to be successful is hard work and
Yeah,
then,
hard work.
practice.
Everybody, do you want to ask any
The
kind of
Hindi language, थोड़ा आता है. All right, well,
Everybody, do you want to have any kind of discussion with him? Do you want to ask any kind of questions? If you have,
I have already asked.
you
yes.
have already asked.
The secret to English is just speaking, like what you guys are doing right now. That's very
That is
important.
all things we are doing right now.
Very important. That is the only thing you can grow in English.
Means what you think for learning English, we need the knowledge of confidence.
That's what confidence. Without confidence,
It happens like when you know about English, you're having knowledge about English, but when you go to the stages, you're not having confidence to tell anything.
depends on your practice. Even me, I have the stage fright. But if you keep on going, on standing there, then confidence will build and you can speak and you can lead. That's what,
Knowledge is the most important.
you know, you guys, some people have a lot of knowledge, but they can't speak.
They can't speak.
can't
Then
speak.
they are not having
No confidence. No confidence.
So confidence and knowledge are
I told you
equal.
it's depending on the practice, what you guys are doing right now.
Yeah.
The more you speak, the more better you become, no, in English.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
This is true. This is true.
It is true.
And in our institute, we always just keep trying to take our students to, you know, like India
That's what,
Gate.
that is what they have said.
We just,
They told us.
like we always just try to take our student to India Gate, to you know, many different places
Yeah.
where they can discuss to American people,
Yeah,
where they can
that's what.
discuss. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes. Yes. Like,
speaking to. It's like,
this is Leeson Rishi.
okay.
This is the picture of Suraj sir.
Oh,
Okay. Here.
Acha, this one. Oh, since when like this has been started?
What?
Since when it started this?
Like inviting some of the other, you know, other people as you have just come here.
Yeah. That's what.
Just keep inviting them that they can
Nice.
motivate some of the students. They can just increase the courage
Yeah.
of all the students. Yeah.
That's nice.